Hi, I'm Irina, buyer's representative with Moskito Real Estate, and today join me in this video tour of a condo inside the gated community of Corasol in Playa del Carmen, Nick Price Residences.
Designed especially for golf lovers, this condo is located on the 18-hole PGA Pro-designed Nick Price golf course, one of the best and most exclusive courses in the Riviera Maya. Imagine waking up every day and being able to hit the links, enjoying the amazing climate of the Riviera Maya in the morning, and then hitting the beach in the afternoon. Condo Nick Price has 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, a spacious and cheerfully decorated condo sold furnished and equipped. Each bedroom has its own private bathroom, the living spaces are comfortable, and via the living room and master bedroom you can walk out to a covered terrace. The style of this condo is big and bright. The windows give it extra light, and the combination of the green views make it unique and a beautiful place to relax after a day on the golf course or a day at the beach. The Corasol community has access to one of the best beaches in Playa del Carmen and is just a short drive to downtown and 5th Avenue. Owners at Nick Price Residences will enjoy the first-class services, including a swimming pool, concierge services, spa, access to the Corasol Beach Club, and 24-hour security.
I hope you like this beautiful property as much as me. If you have any questions about this or any other property in the Riviera Maya, contact us directly or subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon.